can't say for sure, but yeah, I can't say. Maybe keep them just a little longer.
Dorothy Cooper is a 96-year-old resident of Chattanooga, Tennessee, and has been married for the last 75 years. This year, she completed. The new law in Tennessee requires residents to show a government-issued photo ID in order to vote. Dorothy Cooper doesn't have a driver's license because Dorothy Cooper doesn't have a passport. Vacation abroad was never in her future. Tennessee isn't alone. At this moment,
Must have got it out. Oh, never mind. I don't think the screen even kept up with that last one.